Hey guys, and welcome back to Keys, Cakes, and Arts. And today, we're caking. So I made this cake based off the Taurus Zodiac. It's gonna be a part of a Zodiac theme cake series that I'm doing where I make a cake based off each Zodiac season that we're in. And right now, we're at the end of Taurus season, so I figured before the season ends, I put this video out and show you guys how to make a Taurus themed cake. So if you guys wanna see how I do this, just keep on watching.
Here is what you're gonna need for the buttercream decorations for the cake.
Hi guys. So I've already explained to you a couple things, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm not gonna spend too much time on doing the whole crumb coating and covering because you guys should know how to do that. If you don't know, then you need to go watch the other first couple videos on my page and then you'll know how to do that. We're gonna get started with the good stuff. First,
Alright folks, so that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys next week. Just kidding, but we are going to skip past the part where I find another cake layer and just start decorating now. So right here, I'm just transferring the ice cake to the final cake board before I start touching it up.
Okay guys, so now that your cake is iced, we're gonna start the decoration process. So this process is gonna take a minute because you're gonna have to keep sticking it in the freezer and taking it back out and stick it in the freezer again and take it back out. Here is the, you're not gonna be able to see this, so I'm just gonna put a picture of it somewhere right here or a video of me drawing it. This is the, right here. So we're just gonna start doing the design. I was trying to say that was the design. Yeah, this is the design. It's not in my hand anymore. Cool. So I'm just gonna be looking at that as I do it. I'm probably gonna have to change the angle. I'm gonna bring you guys closer to me so you can see it from behind. So we're gonna start off with green and just this isn't what I was going for. Nope. Okay, so that's the first layer. Yeah, and we're just gonna keep adding on after that. I'm afraid to do it back to back because I feel like I'm gonna start mixing the colors. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and then come back out. I'm going in with brown now. Okay, time to put it in the fridge for the next round. Orange, or like burnt orange, copper orange.
So right here, I'm just using melted white chocolate that I colored a dark green color and using these molds to create the Taurus letters. Now I'm taking some fondant that I have some CMC powder in and creating the Taurus symbol as well.
Okay.
Alright guys, so here are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the horns. You have your white fondant, or you can get the color you want your horns to be. I'm just going to start off with white. CMC powder, and this is just going to make sure that the fondant gets hard. Powdered sugar for stickiness, and gel food coloring. So here is where you see me struggle with the horns a little bit. I took it off so I could try to make it as even as possible, and it came out looking like this.
So the horns are a bit off, but I've been fighting with them for a while, and I don't want to fight anymore.
So now I'm just taking some icing and filling all those gaps between the horn and the cake to make it blend better.
Honestly, it depends on how you look at it. If you don't look at it too long, it looks even. So just don't look at the horns too long. So I definitely wish the horns would look better than this. But I don't know, man. You do what you gotta do when you gotta do it. How you gotta do it when you gotta do it. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're finally done with our Taurus themed cake. That took quite some time. It was mainly just the horns that gave me the biggest issue, but it's okay. They're not even like I like them to be, but you know, real bulls don't have even horns, and neither does this one. So if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Wait a minute now. Y'all know I have a clip of next week's video, so stay tuned to the end. Peace, love, and hair grease.
Okay guys, so on top of the cakes, these are the prettiest.